Hello folks, my name is Evgeny, I'm a 3D artist, and in this tutorial I want to tell you about 5 tips and tricks that can make your textures look better. I always use them and it works for me. It isn't set in stone and actually depends on your project, but knowing this will help you in your texturing process. So let's get started. The first thing is color variation. By adding complementary colors or near colors on the color wheel can help you add interest in your textures. I'm always inspired by classic painters. They use them to emphasize and support colors, to give an interest in a picture, so you can apply it in your texturing process as I do. Here are a few examples of it. We can see cool colors against warm, and this is what I always use when I texture model or create materials. And again, warm and cool colors. And examples from WoW and Overwatch. They exaggerated them, but the meaning is the same. The color doesn't have to look like this, but look at this picture. We can see warm against cool color. It gives the variation I'm talking about. So my recommendation is use this method whether it's a stylized or realistic texture. The next thing is values, dark, medium and light. And again, it came from classic paintings, but I use them in my textures and it works well. By having 3 values in your textures can give you a balance. It's like a triangular shape that keeps everything inside itself. And if one of the value isn't used, then everything goes out of this shape and it's no longer a whole picture. Here are a few examples I found. Dark, medium and light values seen here give an interesting look for a viewer. Also, we can see 3 values here that make it looks better. An example from Overwatch, another one, and one more. Dark, medium and light values. Another good thing is to add relation between roughness and colors. It gives a meaning for color and give another variation. I'm not talking about dirt or leaks, I'm talking about variation into color information supported by roughness map. The next one is roughness emphasis. Sometimes it's very good to add contrasted details on your roughness map. It gives a feeling that this thing was used or wear by the weather or something else. It takes the attention of a viewer on these spots and makes it look better. Here are a few examples of it. Looks boring and roughness map looks something like this. Looks cool and contrasted, roughness map looks something like this. Another example, looks boring and flat. Looks interesting and a little bit contrasted. And the last one is details on a hide map. Please don't do scratches or the same little details with that deep hide map. In most cases it's better to show this sort of information just on a roughness map, and it will look good. Thank you for watching this video, I hope you like it and it helped you a bit. See ya!